So what I want to show you is how to do a herringbone half treble decrease, so HB, HDR 2 tog. I've already done one here, which is combine these two stitches into this one. And let me show you how to do that. It's very similar to the herringbone stitch. So you yarn around hook, hook through your stitch, yarn around hook and pull up a loop. Pull the first loop on the hook through the second, yarn around hook, hook through the next stitch, yarn around hook and pull up a loop. Pull the first loop through the second, that leaves you with 3 loops on your hook, yarn around hook and pull through all 3. And you can see that stitch 1 and stitch 2 have been combined into this one stitch on the top. Then we go through that again, so it's yarn around hook, hook through the first stitch, yarn around hook and pull up a loop, loop 1 through loop 2 on the hook, yarn around hook, hook into the second stitch, yarn around hook and pull up a loop, loop 1 and the hook comes through loop 2. That leaves you with 3 loops on your hook, yarn around hook and pull through all 3. And again, stitch 1 and stitch 2 have been combined into one stitch, and that is your herringbone half treble 2 tog.